Alright, hi everyone. It's Arham, and today we're playing Beneath the Ruins in Plusgame. Yeah. This is like, I hate this map. It took me about 100 entire tries to do this. This is impossible for me. If I can do this, yay. But I'm probably not going to finish it in this video because it took me forever to finish it once. And I don't think I'm able to do it again. So, get ready for some pure rage. This is going to stay, I'm actually supposed to do it under 15 minutes, otherwise I can't upload my videos. So we got 15 minutes to finish Beneath the Ruins. God damn it! I'm recording this on OBS, so if you guys do want to record, get a computer or a Chromebook, download OBS Studios from anywhere, and when you download OBS Studios, log into a YouTube account, log into a Google account that has a YouTube channel created, and when you create your YouTube channel, you use OBS and you click start recording event. And when you click start recording, it's gonna record you. You could either set a hotkey on your computer or Chromebook to start it and stop it and pause it, or you could just stop it by clicking the stop recording on the OBS client. So if you just get OBS Studios and then just video, and when you stop your video, you go onto YouTube, click upload video, and it will show you all the videos that you've tried to upload. And you click the bottom one, like the most bottom one, because that's so basically the one at the bottom, like the last one is the one that you click. If you want to do your most recent one, it's the one on the bottom and the last. Because at the bottom it's the last, at the front it's main, and okay, I don't know. We're trying to do this while I'm trying to show you guys how to do these things. I just found out that I have Roblox on my screen. Oh no. Oh yeah, I forgot. I changed my sensitivity. Alright, let's start. I think because my mouse was so yeah, I'm sorry if I'm not talking. Just I want to finish the map for the screen, but I don't think I'm gonna finish it. And I feel like it's been like 5 minutes since we started recording. I'm gonna do like 3 to 4 more tries, and if I don't do it, we'll give it a part 2 into this. Okay, dude. I was able to press like something that was able to like press ESC for me, but I remember when I had to just slap the table and it randomly pressed ESC for me. Here we go. Can we pass it? This is a shortcut, by the way. Let's go. Alright, here it is. This is the part I always fall. I mean, not this part. The part after this. Alright. Alright, here. This is what I hate. Can I do it? My second time being beneath the ruins. If I just... Can I? Actually? No way. Oh, let's see. Go, 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 go! Yes! Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Yes! I can't believe I made it in that many tries. Well, there you have it, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed me playing Beneath the Ruins. Oh my god, what? Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, can you please subscribe, because because everyone keeps saying subscribe when they finish their videos. So I'm just gonna tell you subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.